Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Okay, so Taurus, oo. Reading ngayong June, general and the person on your mind. Okay? Siyempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating sa ating mga items, okay? Yung Evil Eye Protection, Love Bracelet, Grunter Necklace, and yung ating cord cutting. Okay? So, yeah, message lang po, no? And syempre, be careful. Kasi may mga nagaya ng ating page. Baka mamaya yung scammer, yung nanggagaya, yung makapag message sa inyo or mag-reply sa comment section. We don't do that. Ha? Oo, yung mag-reply pagdating sa questions ninyo. Yes, hindi kami nagre-reply, hindi kami nasagot sa comment section. Okay? Taurus. So, in general, what's for you this month of June? This month of June for Taurus placements, what's for you? Okay. In general, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, wag mainip. Oo, shuffle muna tayo ng kauntian. Okay, kailangan natin yon. Okay, so, judgment. Okay. What's with that? Judgment. Okay. The moon. This is energy of realizations. Okay? Pag-overthink yung nakikita ko sa inyo. Sandali lang po ha, sandali lang. Okay, so in general, judgment, the moon. Okay, 7 of Swords in reversed. Five of Cups in reverse. Nakuha ko dito ha, parang may mga iintindihin ka pa. Okay, eto ha. May energy na parang meron kang malalaman. May mga mabubunyag ngayong June. Pero kailangan mo munang intindihin or kailangan mo munang aralin kung totoo ba yung malalaman mo, totoo ba yung makikita mo. Okay? So, I think this is important. This is important. Saan patungkol to? Specific, saan patungkol? Ito, World in reverse. Unfinished business. Okay? Sa na-pending, sa hindi natuloy, sa nagtapos. Yeah, the Two of Swords in reverse. The Four of Cups. Nang hinayang ka. Okay? Nang hinayang ka rito. Or yeah, in general, sabihin nating unfinished business na pwedeng may malalaman kang something. Sagot, kalinawan, pwedeng somebody will resurface, something will resurface ngayong June. Okay? So parang kailangan mo munang aralin yung situation bago gumawa or bago kumuda or bago magsalita, mga ganun. So what else for you? The Six of Cups in reversed. The Devil. Be careful, Taurus. Andito yung word na provoke, trigger. The Queen of Pentacles in reversed. Somebody's health. Okay? Kung sa tingin ninyo meron kayong kakilala or ikaw mismo sa tingin mo may kailangan i-recover sa'yo, iwasan mo na ma-stress, or kung sino man yung kakilala mo, iwasan niyang ma-stress. Okay? So, kasi baka lalong makasama, no? Yeah, we're talking about general. We're talking, sabihin natin, yeah, natural yun, normal yung ganun, kasi kung ma-stress ka. Pero, yeah, 7 of Cups. Baka kasi meron pang sabihin nating ayaw naman natin, no, na may madadagdag pa, no, na issue, may madadagdag pa na kung ano man, sakit, whatsoever, yeah. So, i-avoid na lang natin, yeah. See, strength is here. So, maaari namang may avoid. Kailangan mo lang na iiwas yung sarili mo or yung tao sa stressful environment. Okay? So, there. So, next, what else for you, Taurus? May mga makakaaway ka ngayong June. Kasi ang gulo-gulo. I don't know, some of you, you'll be, more busy. Okay? Okay? Busy. Na talaga naman sabihin nating nakaka-stress. Oo. I don't know kung bakit. Somebody will sabotage. I don't know kung ano. What else? The Ace of Pentacles. Okay, money. Money. I'm hearing away pagdating sa pera. Away pagdating sa mana. The 5 of Pentacles. Away. Arguments pagdating sa pera. That's specific. Yeah, the Empress in reversed. Oh my. Meron kasi ditong sabihin nating mas pinapaboran. Okay? This is a mother figure. Pwede yung, I don't know, kung ito specific, hindi para sa lahat. Pwede may favoritism yung mother mo or ikaw. And parang hindi magiging patas. What's with this Empress in reverse? Death in reverse. The Fool in reversed. May pupunta ng hospital. Okay? Magpapatingin. I'm hearing a major operation this month of June. A major operation. Some of you, iwasan natin if you're pregnant. Okay? Iwasan natin yung miscarriage. Okay? If ever. Nasa 1st to 3rd trimester ka. Now, the 3 of Pentacles. The King of Swords in reverse. May nakikita ko dito talaga naman. This is like mana. Na parang, yeah, this is specific, not for all. So, kung hindi ka nakaka-resonate, makichika ka na lang, no? So, I'm hearing, and I'm saying, specific, pwedeng merong magdodoktor ng pirma this month of June. May magdodoktor ng pirma. Okay? So, there. So, let's see. Grabe, nahilo ako. The person on your mind. Taurus. The person on your mind. Okay? So, sino ba to? Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's see, who is this person, Taurus? Who are they? Who are they? Person on your mind. The 8 of Cups in reverse. Your ex. Your ex. The Star. Still want na magkaroon ng pagkakaayos sa kanya. Could be a water sign or an Aquarius. So the Nine of Cups, some of you, the Two of Pentacles. Option ka ng taong to. You want progress. You want healing from them. Okay? You want to heal from this. Some of you, yung iba sa kanila ha, or ikaw, pwedeng, yun nga, tulad nito, nanonood ka ng tarot, parang gusto mong makakita ng something like clarification, para makausad ka lalo, parang ganon. Anyway, so ano bang situation ninyo? Anong situation? Anong kailangan mong malaman sa sitwasyon ngayon, Taurus? The Lovers. Okay. Na pwedeng strong connection ang meron sa inyo. May chance rin na pwedeng isa sa inyo is in another connection na already. Okay? So, kung ito is clarification na gusto mong malaman, kung gusto mo talaga totally maka-move on na from this person, then may chance na itong taong to is in another connection na. Okay? Yeah, the Queen of Wands inversed. Yeah, there's another person involved. Some of you, ikaw yung third party. You're a third party. Yeah, you have to drop this. Kahit sabihin mong gusto mo to, you have to drop this. The Star, you see this person na sure, sabihin natin, ina-admire mo to, gusto mo to, pero kailangan mong, sabihin natin, umusad. Okay? Sa situation nyo na to. Yung iba naman, sabihin natin magka-connect pa kayo, pero you're the option. You're the option. Tingnan natin. Let's see. What is their emotion right now for you, Taurus? Justice Universe. So, yeah, this is being unfair. This is infidelity. This is imbalance pagdating sa sitwasyon. Yeah. And the Five of Swords inversed. The Three of Cups. Energy ng third party. The Ace of Swords. So, I think this is, energy ng, yun nga, secret affair. Hindi mo maalis-alisan itong taong to. Kasi, pwedeng, you're still, sabihin nating hopeful. Meron kang, dahilan para magstay. Okay? You're holding on to this. Kasi parang sinasabi niya na, okay, gagawan ko to ng paraan para maging okay yung situation natin. May nangyayari ba? Yun ang tanong. Days of Wands inversed. Could be, may nangyari na ditong on-off sa inyong dalawa. Balik-balik lang kayo. Some of you, may chance na sex-based itong connection nyo na to. That is why the sex is good. Yung mga ganyang bagay. Pero yeah, this person is unfair. They're being unfair. Magaling lang talaga itong taong to na gumawa ng mga, sabihin nating mabubulaklak na pananalita. Okay? Ang galing niya magmaniobra. Ang galing niyang magmanipula. Yeah. How do they see you? Tingnan natin. How do this person sees you? The Six of Pentacles, na ikaw yung nagpo-provide, na ikaw, some of you, ikaw yung dahilan kung bakit nag-i-stay itong connection nyo na to. They see you as the Six of Pentacles, the provider. Okay? Or some of you, they see you as somebody who is in need. Yeah, the Queen of Swords. tingin ng taong to, ang dali mong sabihin nating paniwalain. Okay? So, yun yung pinakamagandang word. Ang dali mo daw paniwalain. Kaunting bigay lang, kaunting salita lang. Yun na. Naniniwala ka na. That is why. The King of Swords. And tinatanggap mo kung anong meron sa ngayon. Yun ang nakikita niya. They see you na ikaw is somebody na pwedeng distant or sabihin nating silent. Basta alam mo na merong na ipoprovide sa'yo itong taong to. Iba naman dito, may chance na kung ikaw yung legal, tingin nila wala kang palag. Tingin nila wala kang palag, wala kang boses. Parang ina-accept mo lang kung anong meron dito. Some of you, mas mataas yung energy na ikaw yung legal. Meron lang talagang third party na involved dito. And yeah, you're holding on to this kasi alam mo na may chance pang ma-fix to. And mas malakas yung laban mo kasi ikaw yung legal. Some of you, kasal kayo eh. Okay? Tinatanggap mo lang ng tinatanggap kung anong meron, kung anong situation ang ibinibigay niya sa'yo. So, tingin mo mafi-fix to? I don't know. I don't know. Justice in the reverse. I don't think so. Okay, so, let's see. Anong plano niya ngayong June? Anong plano niya ngayong June sa inyong dalawa? Sa connection nyo na to. This is third party. This is, infidelity. So, anong meron? Anong plano niya nitong taong to pagdating sa'yo? The Ace of Cups in reversed. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin. The Ace of Cups na naka-reverse. Nine of Cups. So, mararamdaman mo pa rin yung kakulangan. Okay? Yeah, may maipoprovide sa'yo tong tao. May maipoprovide. Pero, pakiramdam mo kulang pa rin. Yeah, kulang pa rin talaga to. Kasi hindi naman siya really into this connection like 100%. Kasi may kaagaw ka. Wala akong nakikita dito. Ang plano lang niya is masayang sabihin nating smooth. Flowing pagdating sa kanya. Okay? Even though, alam niya na, kasi yung nasa isip nito Taurus, yung nasa isip niya is, basta meron siyang naipoprovide sa'yo, meron siyang naipoprovide doon sa other person, then this is, sabihin natin, okay, everything will be alright. Parang mga ganun. Okay? Why? Kasi ina-accept. Hanggat ina-accept kung ano man yung naipoprovide ko dito, then, magiging okay to. Parang ganun. So, if ever you're waiting for a decision, for them to choose, walay ngayong June. Okay, so what's the advice for you, Taurus? What's the advice? So, i-fit ninyo yung sarili nyo, So, kung ano man. Hindi ko sinabing this is ikaw 100%. Okay? So, ano ba ang advice for you, Taurus? Temperance. This is balance. Okay. What's with that Temperance? Page of Cups in reversed. The Ace of Pentacles in reversed. So, ang nakikita ko dito, the Page of Cups is in the reversed. Meaning to say, that's emotion. Okay? Hindi mo raw kailangan na lagi na lang maging pasensyoso or pasensyosa pagdating sa emosyon mo. Kung may kailangan mag-suffer dito, do it. Kung may kailangan magbayad dito, kailangang magbayad. You don't need na maging cold temper. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan na maintindihan mo lang ito. Kung kailangan na may masakripisyo dito, gawin mo. Kung kailangan idaan ito sa legal action, gawin. Yun nga lang, legal yon, like sabihin nating usaping legal, hindi naman yun nakukuha, hindi naman tayo darating sa emosyon. So kung anong emosyon ng person sa'yo, hindi natin yun sabihin nating mafi-fix. Kung hindi ka gusto nito, then di ba, hindi natin para idaan sa legal. Kung hindi ka mahal nito, then hindi ka mahal nito kahit madaan pa natin sa legal to. Kung sabihin nating may kailangan ka lang na maayos sa situation ninyo through legal actions, then gawin mo. Huwag ka manghinayang dito. Huwag ka manghinayang. Ace of Pentacles Universe, that's panghihinayang eh. Energy nun is a miss opportunity. Miss opportunity ba to? Ha? Na magkaroon ng option? I don't think so. I don't think so. Yeah, 10 of Wands Universe. This is surrendering. You have to surrender. Kung anong kailangan mong surrender dito sa connection nyo na to. Sabi ko sa'yo. Kung merong kailangan masakripisyo dito, masakripisyo na. Parang ganyan. Kasi wala ka pong makukuha doon sa person. Okay? So, hang on. Sandali lang po ha. May check lang me. Okay. Okay. So, diba? Let's see. Aries through Pisces energy. Tingnan natin kung anong meron. The zodiac sign you're dealing with or dealt with. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Aries, they don't trust you. Some of them, you have trust issue with them. Taurus. Okay, communication. They want communication with you. Gemini, you're their wish fulfillment. Cancer. Okay, they're like, on a crossroads, no? Itong si Cancer yan. Leo, a lot of issues. They're complicated. They're conflicted. Virgo, they can't step up or they can't do anything. Parang ganyan. Some of them, they're not ready. Some of them, hindi sila ready makipag-usap. Libra, they need you. Yeah, they need you. They need your comfort. Scorpio, there could be third party involved. Okay, there could be third party involved with a Scorpio. Sagittarius, there is a lot of secrets. You're being silent. They're hiding from you something. Okay, so Capricorn, they want to give you something. Some of them, they want to let go. Aquarius, unstable. Some of them, they have issue committing So, Pisces, they need you. They need you. Okay? So, there. So, yun ang aking reading for you. Taurus placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.